Welcome to this news story from Medical Update Online. There is some new data relating to ADHD. An analysis of 3 previous studies of children and young adults with attention deficit hyperactivity disorder, ADHD, quantifies for the first time the extent to which stimulant treatment reduces the development of mood disorders, school problems, conduct disorders, substance use disorders, and other problems. This study, led by Massachusetts General Hospital investigators, is being published online in the Journal of Adolescent Health. Joseph Biederman, MD, Chief of the Pediatric Psychopharmacology and Adult ADHD Program at MGH, commented, "Our study documents that early treatment with stimulant medication has very strong protective effects against the development of serious ADHD complications like mood and anxiety disorders, conduct and oppositional defiant disorder, addictions, driving impairments, and academic failure. In quantifying the improvements seen with stimulant treatment, it measures its potency in mitigating specific functional outcomes." Now we have the evidence, allowing us to say that stimulant treatment of ADHD prevents the development of several very serious functional outcomes, says Biederman. However, the impact on other serious outcomes, such as post-traumatic stress disorder, traumatic brain injury, suicide risk, and employment success, still needs to be investigated. Subscribe to Medical Update Online to learn more about the study and to view hundreds of other stories and videos.